Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making for you guys homemade brown gravy from scratch, so please stick around and watch this video. Ingredients that I'll be using to make this gravy: I'm going to use 1/4 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to use 233 grams of chicken stock, or you can use the cube stock and melt them in water. And I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of Badia complete seasoning, and I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of ground pepper. And these are my ingredients. First, I'm going to start by making the roux, and the roux is just fat and flour. I'm going to turn the heat on and allow the butter to melt, or any fat that you're using to melt. Or you can use oil if you don't want to use butter, but I think butter gives it a better flavor. So I'm just going to allow this to melt. Butter is melted. Now I'm just going to add the flour. And you don't want any lumps. You want to get it smooth as possible. And I'm adding the flour gradually. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the chicken stock. I'm gonna add the spice. It smells so good, and this gravy looking amazing. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of soya sauce. I've went ahead and added about 1 more tablespoon to get this nice color. If you want it to be less browner than this or more browner than this, you add more soya sauce to it. If you want it to be less browner than this, you add less soya sauce. So it all depends on your liking and how you like it. So this is my brown homemade gravy, guys. So thanks for watching my videos, and subscribe if you aren't already subscribed. Like and share. And this was so easy to make, guys. It's not hard. So this is how you make your homemade gravy, and this is the perfect consistency. It's not too runny and not too thick, and this will make a perfect gravy for your turkey, your mashed potatoes, or whatever you're gonna eat it with, guys. I know it's gonna taste delicious. So thanks for watching. Bye guys. See you in my next video.